Surviving family court with a narcissistic ex. This is a father's guide to not losing your sanity and not losing your shit. Congratulations, Dad. You've made it. You've made it to the family court Hunger Games, where logic is optional, facts are suggestions, and your narcissistic ex has already handed the judge a script painting you as history's greatest villain. But don't worry, you're totally up for a fair shot at this. Today, I'm going to show you how to navigate this circus without losing your mind, your dignity, or most importantly, your kids. Step 1, accept that this is not about justice. That's right, family court, a magical place where innocent until proven guilty means you're guilty because your ex said so. This is not a place for justice. This is a place for paperwork, arbitrary decisions, and the crushing realization that no one actually read your 200 pages of carefully documented proof. But hey, at least you stapled it nicely. Quick tip for you, treat the courtroom like a rigged game. The trick isn't playing fair, it's playing smart. Keep your emotions in check, because the moment you react, congratulations, you just played right into their hands. Bonus tip, judges love concise arguments. So when your ex monologues about how you once forgot to pack an extra juice box, resist the urge to counter that with a 30-minute TED talk on reality. Stick to the facts, keep it simple, and let her over-the-top performance work against her. Step 2, document everything. Yes, even that bizarre text about aliens. That's right, folks. When I say everything, I mean everything. This could be from, I'm trying to think, you might think keeping track of every insane accusation and contradiction from your ex is overkill. It's not. It's called evidence, and in this game, it's evidence is the only thing that might, possibly, maybe on a good day with the right judge, matter. Keep text messages, emails, and voicemails, because nothing says reliable witness like a 17-page email rant accusing you of controlling the weather. Take notes after every interaction, even the ones that seem unimportant. Trust me, the one time she casually admits that she lied, you'll want that written down. Get everything in writing. If she tells you she'll drop the kids off at 5 and then claims that she never said that, guess who looks unreliable now? It's a hint, it's not you. Step 3, master the art of not looking like the angry dad stereotype. That's right. As much as you, fun fact here for you, no matter how many times she screams, cries, and claims you emotionally abandoned your kids by daring to have a job, you still have to be the calm, collected one. Because the moment you roll your eyes or sigh too loudly, boom, you're hostile and you're intimidating. Here's a pro tip for you. Picture yourself as a corporate customer service rep. Respond like you're handling a complaint about a slightly cold latte. I understand your concerns, Your Honour, but I respectfully disagree. Boom. You're reasonable, she's unhinged. Let the contrast speak for itself. Facial expressions matter. Judges don't love resting, exasperated dad face. Keep it neutral. Imagine you're watching paint dry, because let's be honest, that's more logical than what you're hearing right now in the courtroom. Step 4, get comfortable with the fact that the court bias exists. That's right, it's not all judges are biased, that's fair. Just like not all sharks bite. But if you're swimming in open water, are you really going to assume that the shark coming at you is friendly? No. You prepare for the worst and act accordingly. Know your rights. Shockingly, I know, but you actually do have some. You just have to fight twice as hard to use them. Have a solid parenting plan. Judges love structure. Show them you've got a clear schedule, a safe home, and that you've actually put thought into your kids. Because let's face it, your ex's plan is probably just to make you disappear. Some say get a lawyer. I say don't do that. That's a waste of money and it will increase your conflict. Get yourself a reputable, good Mackenzie friend that's really good at dealing with narcissistic ex-partners. If you want any sort of names or anything, I might know someone, so give me a shout. Let me know if you need someone, I can probably point someone in your direction. Step 5, find a community of dads who actually get it. And I say actually get it, they actually have to get it. Talking to other people who haven't been through this is fun. Just be reasonable, bro. The court will see through her lies. Sure, Chad. And while we're at it, let's ride a unicorn into the courthouse and sprinkle some fairy dust on the judge's bench, because that's going to work a treat, isn't it? I mean, join a support group, because nothing beats battle-tested advice from dads who have survived this nightmare and had success. You learn from people who haven't had success, but you'll learn more from those who have. Stay connected, whether it's online forums, fathers' rights groups, or just a buddy who won't sugarcoat things. You need people on your corner. Remember, you're not alone. Even though the system is broken, there is an army of dads fighting the same fight. And some, who use the right guidance, win. Final thoughts. This is a long game, and welcome to it. Look, I'm not going to lie to you. This process is shit. It's unfair, exhausting, and at times utterly ridiculous. But here's the good news. With the right strategy, patience, and the ability to keep a straight face when your ex claims she's always encouraged co-parenting, you can get through this. And one day, when your kids are older and they actually see what went down, that's when the real victory happens. If you enjoyed this totally uplifting, not at all infuriating guide to family court, go ahead and hit that like button. Maybe even subscribe. And if you know any other dad currently questioning his life choices in a courtroom hallway, share this with him. He's going to need it. Until next time, peace and love.